All right, let's dig in. Today we're looking at a really revolutionary education plan you sent over. It's called GASR 4.0 Talent-Centric Global Hunt.
That's right, and it's all built around this concept they're calling the Pramod effect.
Exactly. And the whole idea seems to be to, well, completely dismantle the old one-size-fits-all grading system.
It is. It replaces that with a lifelong journey, based on skills and actual needs. That's the mission today, to really understand how it does that.
So where do we even start? I was struck by the central philosophy of the Pramod effect. It says presence equals absence. Absence equals presence. Both are one.
Right, and it sounds abstract, I know.
It does. I mean, what does that actually mean for a student sitting in a classroom?
Okay, so think of it this way. It's about measuring the unseen. Let's say a student tests poorly in math. That's the presence of a bad grade, which equals the absence of skill.
Okay, that part makes sense.
But maybe that same student runs a local charity drive or manages a complex family budget. That's their hidden latent talent. That's the absence equals presence part. The system is designed to actually find and measure that.
So it's measuring potential, not just performance. And it counts for societal gaps.
Yes, exactly. Places where we are collectively absent in solving a problem. It's a really radical idea.
Okay, so if we accept this radical idea, how does the framework actually structure a person's life around it? It lays out 5 distinct stages.
It does. It's a full roadmap. It kicks off with the school stage, which is grades 1 to 10. They call it the seed stage.
The seed stage. So this is pure nurturing, I guess.
Pure nurturing. It's all playful, activity-based discovery, trying to pinpoint those very early talents, physical, cognitive, and even fundamental.
College stage. Grades 11 to 12.
And the name says it. The goal is to intentionally break boundaries. It shifts from just discovery to structured exploration, with a big emphasis on research and project-based learning.
So you're cracking the shell of your theory.
You are. And that leads right into the university stage, or the pendulum stage. This is where knowledge is supposed to swing directly into tangible action. It's not just about a degree.
It's about creating something, innovation, a solution.
A practical, solution-oriented output, exactly.
And from there, individuals move into Job and service. This one's called the witness stage.
Yeah, and the metaphor is perfect. Your talent has to create measurable societal impact. Little ripples that spread outward.
And it all comes full circle to the final stage next year.
The legacy stage. This is the capstone. It's all about mentorship, knowledge transfer, and ethical stewardship. The idea is that talent isn't yours. You have to create it.
It's an incredibly comprehensive path. But the documents show this isn't a real good flowchart. There's some serious mathematical.
There is. The absolute core of it is a metric called the need-based assessment, the NBA.
The global mandate.
That's what they call it. And that engine keeps the talent and makes sure each person's talent is always calculated against what society or the environment actually needs. Then your talent is mathematically.
Okay, but let me be clear. How do you stop a system steamrolling over niche talents? Deep expert in the field that doesn't seem to have an immediate.
That's a great question, and it's about balance. Niche talent is still valued, but it has to be ethically grounded. The framework is very specific here. During the professional ripple stage, the main pivot to ethical and human-centered behavior goes up a step. It actually reaches its highest weighting, point 4, at the leadership stage. This system, leadership isn't just about output. It's defined by your social and
I saw the formula for the lifelong talent path, the TLPI.
and you saw the exposure variable.
Exposure to resources, to mentorship, to global opportunities.
And because that TLPI is calculated by multiplying the talent index by that exposure factor, it means an institution has to provide those global experiences. It's mathematically mandatory.
So a genius who never leaves their hometown.
Their projected growth is automatically capped. Because talent in this model literally multiplies by exposure.
So we've walked the path, we've looked at the rigor. We've pulled it all together with the person who asked for this deep GASR 4.0 is basically a quantifiable.
Right. It's a system to ensure talent isn't just developed in pain, but is ethically leveraged.
All the way from landing on the scene Seems to be to